Hello students, a warm greetings to each one of you. My today's talk is for those students who have just completed class 10th. Now that CBSE and ICSE have cancelled their exam, most of you must be enjoying the lockdown. But the point to be thought about is what next? So, this is the time for you all to think about your future. I'll give you a few points. The first point what I'm going to talk to you about is the results. I know the exams have been cancelled, but the results have to be declared by the board. There may be various methods which ICSE or CBSE boards might follow. They may take the average performance of yours from class 8th, 9th and 10th, or they may take your performance of 9th and 10th, or even they might take only the performance of your class 10th. There is all the possibilities that the boards will ask for the continuous evaluation system followed in the schools. So you all have to wait and watch what exactly the boards will decide. So meanwhile, what you have to do is to decide on the stream what you're going to take. Science, commerce or arts. Most of you must have seen my video on career options wherein I have spoken in detail about various options what you have. Today, I'll just touch upon all those once again. But before that, I'll just give you some idea how you have to choose your stream. Whether it is science, or it is commerce, or it is arts. There are certain things which you have to keep in mind. The first point is loyalty. Whether you are loyal to that subject or not. Just because you have got 95% in maths, you cannot choose a career with math. The next one is interest. Do you have enough interest in that field? If not, you shouldn't be choosing that field. The third one is the respect. The respect for the subject, respect for the field. Do you have enough respect for that subject? And the last, maybe a very important aspect to be seen is the job scope. After doing this particular degree, whether you will get good job or not. Whatever said and done, all of you are struggling hard to get settled down well in your life. Now, why you have to think about the career? What is there kept in the career? Anything which comes, you can take it up. That's what most of you are doing as on today. Please give a thought. By the time you finish your degree, you may be 21, 22, 23. Or even if you go for your PG, you may be 25. So, at the age of 25, you would have taken up a job. Then most of you will start retiring at the age of 55, 58, 60. So, 25 to 55 is 30 years. And then 2-3 years here, 2-3 years there. It is about 35 years of your life you are going to give it to your career, what you are choosing it now. If by mistake if you choose wrong career, you will keep cursing yourself and all those who are responsible for choosing that particular wrong career. Now, there are certain mistakes generally students do while choosing the career. The first one is following the crowd or friends. Just because some of your friends have taken up PCMB and joined a particular college, you also follow them, which may prove a drastic mistake in your life. The next one is parents and relatives or society. I've heard most of the students telling, my dad wants me to do this, my mom wants me to join that college, my uncle wants me to take up this field, and various such suggestions coming from parents and relatives. And most of this is onto the favorite science stream. Now, I have heard most of the parents talking that my grandfather wanted me to become a doctor. I could not become a doctor, but somehow I have to make my son or daughter a doctor, without realizing the fact that your son or daughter has the aptitude to become a doctor. So, you have to think what you are good at, what you can take up, and where you will do justice. Next one is lack of knowledge. Most of you are not aware of what are the options you have. There are plenty of options, hundreds of options. I'll list a few. To start with, the science stream people, PCMB, PCMC, PCMB people, basically it is medical. You do your NEET, get good merit, get on to medical. In medical also, further you have dental science, veterinary science, and various other things. Then another favorite field is engineering. Even in engineering, there are a lot of departments: computer science, mechanical, civil, automobile, electronics, electricals, aeronautics, environmental, and so on. Wherever you have interest, you can take it up. You can also do a simple degree in science, BSc, then MSc. You can also take up data science, coding, gaming, and various other fields. Next is commerce. Commerce is basically financial consulting. You can take up accountancy, chartered accountant, wherein you have to study for 5-6 years, company secretary, stock broking, and various other things. You can also do a big degree, BCom, MCom, BCom, MBA, and take up some of the other job in the market. Then humanities or arts. Bachelor of Arts in English, in your regional language, sociology, history, and various things. Here you can take up media, journalism, You can take up cinematography. You can be a director, producer, editor, story writer, and various other things. You can also take up event management, hospitality, that is hotel management. You can get onto national security, sales and marketing, and various other things. With all these degrees, you can take up teaching. Teaching is one of the best careers these days. There are schools offering very good job prospectus. A professor in engineering college earns much more than a software engineer in any of the software companies. Then another very important career is defense. Army, Navy, or Air Force. Various options are there. You can join National Defense Academy after your 12th standard. There is technical entry after your 12th standard to become an officer. Or if you don't want to study much, simply after 10th or 12th you can join as a soldier. There are clerical posts. There are various other different categories in the army which will give you a very good career opportunity for your future. So, do lot of resources, researches, Google, talk to your parents, talk to elders, talk to friends, but the decision has to be yours. Because tomorrow you should not be blaming anybody because of you I have taken this, I am today suffering. So, final decision has to be yours. One more very important thing which you have to keep it in mind at this stage is the whole world knows that this batch, that is 2021 batch of class 10th has completed their class 10th without giving an exam. So when you go to 12th standard, your exam pattern may be quite tough. There may be analytical questions. Whatever copy pasting you are used to may not work there. Also, during this time, you should try to develop your skills. These days, students complete their 12th degree engineering. They just study, get marks, but when it comes to their skill development, they are zero. Companies are finding it difficult to take recently passed out graduates and employ them in their various technical events. So, do whatever you can. You can take up a lot of things while you are free, small things. For example, Tally, learn coding, various things you can take up in addition to your normal degree, which will help you get a job. So hope you have got some input, think about it, make a decision. I am sure you will all land up in good career in future. Thank you, all the best.